all the listeners tuning from Bonolevu.
Iya.
Na lama sana watu rangai tolo da aunda bemboa e madwata da be korri da daka. Era benaka Demesi,
Iya.
era benaka Eleanor.
Good
Red
morning
jacket
to
man,
everyone
ayawa.
tuning in this beautiful morning. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning.
Oh, yeah.
To all the students,
Oh, yeah.
final lap of this term, and most of them are not, will not be going to school today.
Okay.
Especially those,
Those?
whose classroom has been used.
Right.
For irna may kiambay.
Iya.
Class 1, class 2, class 3 na din bandu primary school e bagay nga tayo na to classroom era may kiamaki na bidan nangon ya lewa e nabuko ni netball.
What about
Which is
to
a school netball
Eli?
competition. Eli sa serek sarto nga nangon ngo.
Ulei tutua.
Nano tala bibang karay.
Era pa chingor lo mani pitana sing sa kotongor lo mani rona
Iya,
matawa.
niko sa ngolo may sa to ko sa tatawa sa ker sa ko pa mamasu.
Iya.
Isa lubi ko ker tiko manto tiko pakan tuy pale.
Iya.
Kuni tiko nga na bunu me ala kina na no na ba mo.
Iya.
Na ba mo
Dire
yo.
sar.
Ka kuni oli si besar tiko na ba mo.
Right.
Ito sa limbang kang kartale.
Uy.
Iyo.
Bangara
Ang
itu.
karna no. Pagkakarna no may bale. May.
Isa,
Bago
daw na
matabalilay.
naman din na nangone.
Iyo,
Them
dila.
how about the kids at home in Lolombo?
The kids at home, they are looking forward for the
northern trip.
Yeah,
Back to the village.
Back to the village.
Back to their roots, eh?
Back to their roots.
Yes,
They are
sir.
looking forward because whatever they call each other, they are tutua in the village.
Iyo.
I got one horse. Sa fosta kitong gabi, umusa bulendo na hosi.
Uy.
Iyo, me bulendo na hosi, balata me raw, tauro raw. Merto na laki bondo hosi na
Right,
ko.
right, right,
I said, lai makamdong kaleto, law kasi papay ke mundo.
Okay.
Au sini bina katendo me bondo si bango me sa palengada me ngete nga palenosi me sa usombu.
Iya, dire sa.
Kento na bondo batan babuli ke mundo na bondo ose when we go to the village.
Doro ba binak?
Matai sinran yo lakutungan yo bondo ose. Ego na matai manda mo baka murita ka na ose me busu ko na uduna.
Right.
Otia purele na ibesu besu ni ose buni kau mi kunta dori. Ke de baya mo na buli da roeliu.
Iyo.
Mo na kilata
Different types of notes.
Iya.
Iyo.
Monanggaira ni obondo kuni sabo to tida ke mengon sala kirba ko limu mo mumbulo landi kuwa riba bu nama buah.
Dear Sarah, to all the students tuning in this morning, we hope that you are looking forward to your school, end of the term
Right.
Yeah.
break.
Right.
2 weeks break, is it?
Oh yeah.
2 weeks break, wherever you will be enjoying your break.
Holiday assignment is being distributed.
Iyo.
Right, to all the students, make sure it's done.
Iyo.
Make sure.
Right.
To all the parents, please take heed of that. Na itukutuk may bigas ni buli.
Right.
And I need to do it thread and buli viber. Membala tarabikaso and so chibira lubet na meron takamay. Sa meron mga usos takiro tukina. And I said rekni bulu to all the drivers also.
Iya, tuning in this beautiful morning, we have a politiko ada bepanua, o di bengar republikana na mataka benaka ni ara ni mata benaka mai, all the passengers that are heading to work this morning.
Iyo.
Babimbi bayar na hardworking parents.
Right.
So as berti ko na mataka ni we understand because of the weather that we are facing, mata taltingan away and what to buy
Iyo.
I dreamt this morning
What
that
you dreamt?
I was already late to work. I was sleeping night, but nangonan turmo yan rakina. I woke up at 3 o'clock.
Oh,
and
how
then,
come?
gaya makasama ta kasi hindi ka nabuli. So,
Okay.
nap tal matabalilay.
Yeah.
Na nap
Who
ko.
nabbed you?
Sige, myself. I napped myself.
Okay.
So, I went back to sleep. So, I was just thinking, just small nap. At 4 o'clock, I'll wake up.
Okay.
And then, past 4 o'clock, I started to have a dream.
Iya.
Because in my mind, I said 4 o'clock, I had to wake up.
Where did you start your dream?
After 4 o'clock.
Okay. Where does your dream come
A
from?
very long dream. A very long
Tingin mo
dream.
wala pa na numutan, tingin mo may
Balatan lang nung kumangalanan mo.
Iya, natara menang kita ron kino dance because
In my brain. Because
Yeah.
in my brain, I have trained my brain to wake up at 4 o'clock. Because of the transport.
How you train your brain?
I just thought of it.
Okay. right.
Dem sa okay
I
ra
just
man
thought to
man.
myself that I will wake up at 4 o'clock. But when I went back to sleep,
Iya.
I had a dream that I was late to work and it's after 7 o'clock. And when I woke up, it's nearly 5 o'clock.
Sa ka samber tal sunga.
Sampai juga ya, transport sa mola ka.
Iya. Okay. Our question this morning, I was thinking about a question.
Think of the question. Think of the question. I just say good morning to John Kumar.
Iyo.
And Maria Woliku Luingalala. And also to KD148.
Iyo.
Ayan na binatako. And nambasin ni Benta Ringo. Mo subusar to ising to this morning.
Iyo.
We say good morning to the everybody in the bus right
Iyo.
now. We say good morning to you.
Karena kata Melissa, ano mo ven tabale binabale besar bito kan bimay and namatak binay ko. The dream. Talk about the dream.
Come.
how do dreams come
Simulate.
come to play in our while we are sleeping?
Depending on the mood of how you treat yourself before you sleep.
Okay.
Right.
The whole day of what you are watching, of what you are thinking, of what you are going through. Depending on how you eat. Some people said you eat too much will cause you dreamer.
Right.
LM662, is he a dreamer?
He's a dreamer, Karoti J.
Yeah.
He always dream about himself.
Ano ba ko tunga batik ko?
Iyo. LT130 Talingo Dabs, good morning.
Yeah.
Black Aero Taxi.
Yeah.
If you want to dream,
Right.
dream depending on what you think of.
Right.
Okay, if you're watching a scary movie, you will sleep that night. You will dream what you watch.
Right.
Eh? Because what you going through in your mind will stand as it is. It's like a memory card in your brain. Whatever you see and store, that will come a day, you'll become a circulation of remembering of lives. Yeah.
So there are different types of
Yes,
dreams.
yes.
Dangerous dream,
Yeah.
weird dreams,
Right.
tabatali, playful dreams,
Yeah.
tabatali. Iyo. But sometimes, have you ever, while you're sleeping,
Already.
plan that you don't want to wake up while you dream?
Yeah, because the only thing that make the dream very worst is when you dream it coming to an end where you supposed to be and somebody wake you up.
Like that, lu telo kawan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
But so like sweet dream.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay,
You know,
people
listen,
say,
Muki, he has a special dream.
Yeah.
Yeah, he goes through a special dream.
He is a special dream.
okay, okay, people say sweet dreams, my darling. Okay, sweet dreams. Take us through the sweet dream.
Right.
Okay. If you see a sweet dream,
Yeah.
it like a S-bed when you're driving a bus on a place where gravel is and forest around you and flowers in front of us.
Yeah.
And the cloud is upon us.
Right.
Yeah.
When you see back then the road is like a S.
Yeah.
Eh? The S, the alphabet.
Yeah.
Yeah. So from there, if a sweet dream, sweet come from the word gulab jamun.
Diwali.
If you see,
Yeah.
if you see the sweet,
Yeah.
because he is encourage you
Yeah.
to a sweet dream so that you can dream of something
Right.
that is very suitable.
Right.
Okay.
Because when you
Okay, the sweet dream that I'm saying is meaning like you're like one girl. You dream about one girl.
Oh,
That's-
Atu,
that's-
the flooded coming.
that's the kind of dream that like
Go. Pertemuan dan orang mau kuasa mothing.
Kulit teman retiau.
Kalitan dalam hari atu.
Kulit teman retiau. I don't want to wake up.
Ang kalitan terbang gori. Gori to malam-malam ka sarakira. Go to sa tanyo. Wala sa bandret.
Terus lagi kenapa?
Pero to mas may lang yun. Dito na wala-wali non tanra.
Iya,
So na tanra binaka so tanra da.
Iyo.
So tanra to
Hey.
into sa barumate.
Iyo.
So tanra ni barundo na kami nakabaroyado.
Right.
So tanra ni sando mumbula saranga.
Okay, this one friend of ours, kau tahu tala tak cipiro na vio kaningo.
Iya.
Don na wekanda tuya, don di porongo. Ono go na bitanga na sing sawo cingo. Namarama na otina, tanrai ki nortuta ni salenga. Sangitu ko na bi ranti ni pala nortuta, iyo sa lenga. Ni sana lenga, nakango mo da kabo. Ko sige lenga nga na bitanga sing sawo cingo.
Isa.
Menakaw po no libo na matak. Rawa wachuk menakor. Mata kira biakan rangol ni suwe. So na tan rapatu ya.
Iya.
So tan ko na mati bikan na ito kay do no ito botu ya. You go and touch that person Meron ni
Iya, meron ni tagutul.
tangutu na
Right.
na tan re. No, jini pala nga. Tanre ko sama te kutukuno ka. Yo sa rumah di sana mat kango mo ka.
Autanra.
Sige bitar sige lenga.
Aida.
Iyo. Go na orto mena korong orto so mati chuna singa. Mena koi vuro li nawe kan tu ya.
Autanra yo nang nanoa. Autanra ni satu mai siril. Dona maten tu era da tu mikin dona bibana. Sangka tu kuntu bawa sang kore mena mate bano ko na balu tu bom medak. Si matal sarga la ko tu me bata bana tanrango. Kem sangka rai tu bang ko mali walala. La ko tu nao. Na drone ra bo tu idak.
Iya.
Sangka bang lu tu mitu mai no rita kan san dona kasa awang kami ko rodidi. Metam bola tal.
Lu tu
O
bai
kita
ko
tal
kami
dona
tahu.
bumongu. O kita tal dona bumongu ra bitar tu ka taurin ta kai tar tu ngame to tu misan doya. O bang ko bi ko ai. Kira mananda kayo guru mo ni kango tuno ko sin ram berto kan guru berito sulia mi mo bana konong ko bana nga o kinta tala sararam tuno ba o bola ka tali mo didi to mi bana tuno kan beta kan ngunuti singa na
Boleh ke sari lu tulelo ka?
bola kan kami tinabisau
Oi sagale ke we mata kali
Mala,
tanra ng bonging. Rono bitu mo tamay kero dono mutanra kito
Iya.
ke vando takas sula dava keli balembale. Era non da so era sini mata kasi era singa pa rumbuka. Na dami ko tanra rumbuka na noa. Ke ba ko be kila keli balembale o sanga chumo kila senga. Bitu mo kitong ke pa madal tagal usian. Alright.
pita na bale bunde Messi
Kurmo
Ellen on the morning.
like hat siya ta kanon talay out palang ibe ta ke binod patel bat ke ditale
Punches.